text. So here I'm just pasting some dummy text. Also within the button you can insert any link. So I'm opening the button, and here first of all, instead of learn more, I'm just writing here live preview. So you can just link your web projects live websites link here with this button. Okay, now before doing any other thing, I just want to show you another interesting thing. So from here, let's select this image box widget, open its image tab here at the first, and now instead of this simple content area, I will be using this floating box. So I'm selecting floating box. Now you can see this cool design. So if I hover over here, we can see it's looking really nice on hover. But here with the title, I don't want this icon. So let's open the body, and here I'm just disabling this icon option from here. Also, if you have a look, when we hover here, this title becomes blue color, but I don't want that. So let's go under style tab. Now from here, let's open the body. Now from here is the styles for title. So from here, let's set the color. So I'm selecting our default main black color. If I now hover here, we can no longer see the blue color on hover. Alright, now you know what, I just wanna delete the left one, so let's delete it. Also let's delete the right one, so I'm deleting it. And now as we have designed this whole thing, so we can just duplicate it. Let's just duplicate it, and I'm duplicating it one more time. Then from this one, let's just change this image, go under content tab from here. So I'm selecting this one, click on insert media. Now from inside the body, I just wanted to say, for example, mirror project, and with the third one, let's change this image with this one, insert it, and from inside the body, I just wanted to say the project name, that would be say lonely project. So now have a look. If I minimize the bar from left side, so here we can see the first project, it says mirror project. When you're hovering over here, we can see this beautiful hover effect, also with this one, also with this one. So overall it looks really great. Let's now open the bar from left side. So with the single services page, with our web design services page, everything is looking great. Now we just need to check how it's looking on mobile and tablet device. So first of all, from here, click on the responsive mode icon. I'm going to the tablet device. So here, let's scroll down. Everything is looking great on the tablet. Also scroll down. Now have a look here. If I just hover here, I think on hover we need to increase the height of this area. So let's select this one, go under its style tab. From here, it's not normal. I mean, on the normal state it's looking great, but on hover, so I'm going under hover. Here we need to increase its height. So for example, if I set it to 350 on hover, let's now have a look. If I hover here, yep, it looks great. Now we can just copy and paste the style to the right and left image box. So from here, just copy it, then right click here, and I'm now clicking on paste style. Also with this one, right click here and click on paste style. So here on the tablet device, everything is looking great as well. Let's now check it from mobile device. So let's now click on this mobile icon. I think on the mobile device, we need to add just this because it's looking kind of weird. So first of all, I'm just selecting this container. This time unlink the margin. At the top, I'm just adding 100 pixel of margin. And with this image, let's select the image. From under its advanced tab, unlink the margin. Here I'm just adding negative 100 pixel of margin top. Also with this container, so I'm selecting the container. Let's go under its style tab, and from here I'm opening the shape divider because 700 is looking huge. So here we can just add 100 or 120 pixel of shape divider's height. So it's now looking great. And also we can reduce the padding from left and right. So let's select it, go under its advanced tab. From here, first of all, let's unlink it, and at the left and right, I'm adding here 4% of padding. Then let's scroll down. Everything is looking great, and here this web design services area is also looking great. Here the hover effect, I think on the mobile device we can reduce this height a little bit. So let's select it from under style tab. Let's go under hover. So here instead of 350 we can just make it 300. Okay, So right click over here, click on copy. Then with the second one, right click over here, click on paste style. With the third one, right click and click on paste style. So now have a look with each of them. So this one is looking great. If I hover over on the second one, it's looking great. Also with the third one, it's looking great. But I know you may have a question because on the mobile device, there is no hover option, right? So actually on the mobile devices, if anyone taps over this image, they can see the description of that particular project. Alright, so everything is looking great on responsive. So we can now close the bar from top, and to save all of our hard work, don't forget to click on this green update button. Let's now create our very last page, which is our contact page. Okay, so let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. Now from here, let's go to pages, to all pages, and here we can see the contact page. Click on edit, and then from here click on edit with Elementor. Now first of all, within the contact page, the first thing I want to do, I just want to copy and paste the banner area. So I'm just going inside web design page. So from here, just right click here, let's copy it. Within the contact page, I'm just pasting it here inside, and here instead of web design, I want it to say contact us, and here instead of service details, I just want it to say get in touch. Now let's create our main contact form area. So first of all, let's click on this plus icon, and here I'm taking this row based structure. Actually, you know what, actually in this case we can take this two container structure, this one, but also with this one I'm just making the justify content value to space between this option, and also I'm just making this wrap value to wrap. Then I want to add some spacing, so go under advanced tab. From here I'm adding 20 pixel of padding. Let's now unlink it because at the top and bottom I want to add 60 pixel of padding. Okay, so here within this main parent container we have got one inner container here. So let's select it. Its content width is full width and the width is 50%. Also if we select the right one, its width is also full width and 50%. Now I just want to duplicate the second one, and here underneath we have got another inner container. So with this inner container I also want to keep its content width to full width, and here the main width I'm just setting it as 100%. So this is the layout at this moment. Now first of all, with this top left container I want to add a heading widget. So we can just go to services page, and from here right click here, click on copy. Now within contact page, within this container, so I'm right clicking here and click on paste, and here with this just go under style tab. I'm making the alignment to left, and from under content tab I don't want these subtitles, so I'm disabling it. Also the title description, I'm disabling it from here as well. Now this main heading I also want to change it text, so I'm opening the title. Then here I'm just pasting some text, so it says have a cool project, get in touch. Now then with this right container, let's select it, and here instead of 50 I'm just making its width to 45%, and also let's give it a minimum height, so I'm giving here 600 pixel, or let's just make it to 650 pixel. So its height is looking like it. Then here with this one, let's just go under style tab. I'm giving it a background color which is white color, and then I'm giving it 20 pixel of border radius, and also let's add some border. So from here border type I'm giving it solid, then border with 1 pixel, and the border color which is hash F3 F3 F3. Also I wanna add some box shadow from here. So first of all I'm making it really transparent, like 0.2. So here you can see it's 0.2, and then from here I'm making the blur value to 40 and the spread value to -20. Then also I want to add some space in between this container, so just go under advanced tab. From here padding, let's add 40 pixel of padding. Also, as I want to keep it at the top of everything, so here I'm making its z-index value to 2. Alright, I think you cannot understand the purpose properly, but if I now minimize it, you can see this empty card here, and we can see the corners are rounded. Also we can understand it has some nice shadow with it. Alright, let's now open it, and we will be actually adding the contact form within this area. But before that, I wanna work with this third container. So if I select it, you may remember we have set its width to 100%. So now here within, I just wanna insert a Google map. So click on the plus icon, and from here I'm just searching for map. So let's drag it here. Now in this place we can see the Google map. So from this place you can control the zoom of this map. By default it's 10, but if you want you can make it to 15, because if you wanna have more close look, but here I'm just making it to 14. Also you can change your location, so you just need to put your location here. The pin will be set on the map here. But here instead of this 100% width, I wanna use a custom width with this map. So just go under advanced tab, and this width I'm just setting it as custom, and from here we can just set it as something like 70 or 72 is fine. Also we can adjust its height. So from under content here we can increase the height just by dragging it like this. Okay, I just wanna keep it as 700 like this. Now my goal is place this map or this whole container at this place, I mean right after this heading, and they will be overlapped with the contact form, and overall it will look really cool. So first of all, here I'm selecting this third container and go under its advanced tab. Let's unlink the margin, and here at the top I'm just giving it -500 pixel of margin. So right now it's looking like it. Actually instead of 500 we can reduce 20 pixel more, so let's set it to 480. So right now it's looking like it, but if we minimize the bar we can see the real view, so it will look like this on real web page. Alright, so within this right container we will of course put our contact form, but before that, right underneath this map I just wanna add some social icons. Actually not social icons, I just wanna put our address or our phone number, email address like that. So from here I'm just clicking on this Rubik's cube icon, and here I'm searching for icon box. And you know what, the icon box, I actually wanna place all the icon box within an inner container. So first of all, let's here search for the container. I'm dragging this container right underneath this map here. So here I'm making their direction to row. Also from here let's set the content width to full width, and here I'm making it to 72%. So I have just matched it with the map's width. And you know, I'm just also making the justify content and align items to centered. Now within this, click on the plus icon, and here I'm searching for icon box. Here you go, just drag it inside here, and this time I'm setting its icon position from left. Then let's just go under style tab. From here I'm setting the primary color to #F76766. Then let's open the content tab. Here I'm setting the vertical alignment to middle. Then here the title spacing I'm making it 5, and also with the title let's go inside its typography. I'm just making its font size to 24 pixel, also the font weight to 700. Then of course we can add some padding with it. So let's just go under advanced tab, and here I'm adding 30 pixel of padding, but first here just unlink it, because on the left and right I wanna add 15 pixel of padding. So here first I just wanna change this heading. So from under content tab I just wanted to say address, and here I'm putting a fake address. Also I wanna change this icon with a pin icon. So I'm just here searching for map. Let's select this one, insert it, and now I just wanna duplicate this icon box. Also let's duplicate it one more time. So with the second one I just want it to say email. So here I'm just writing email. Let's change this icon with email icon. So I'm selecting this one, let's insert it. Now here I'm just putting my email address, and with the third one I just want it to say phone, and here I'm providing my phone number. So here is my phone number, you can WhatsApp me on this number. Also this icon I just wanna change it with a phone icon. So here I'm selecting this phone, now insert it. Also, I just want to change its color, so from here let's change its color to #57C0CE. And with this one, this email's color, let's go under style tab, and here's the color code #265FDB. Alright, we just need to create our contact form within this page. So I wanted to create our contact form within this area, so click on this plus icon, and from here I'm just searching for made form. Here we go. Let's just drag this made form here within this area, within this right area. And here first we need to create the form, so from left side just click on edit form. And of course we will be selecting new because we don't have any form in our website. So I'm selecting new, and we can give it any name. I'm just naming it my form. And from here make sure you have selected this blank one, the first one, and then from here just click on edit form. Alright, now within this panel we will be creating our contact form. So first of all I'm just clicking on this plus icon, and here I'm taking this column based structure, and here I'm setting its content width to full width, and by default it's 100%. Later we will keep it 100%, but for now temporarily I'm just giving its width to 40 or 50% like this. Now within this container I will be taking few input fields. So here first click on this plus, and here let's first drag this text field here. I don't wanna show this label, the placeholder is okay for me, so I'm just hiding the label from this place. And remember, each of this input field will have a unique name. So in this case its name is mf-text. Actually you don't need to change it. I'm showing you if needed how you can change this name, but always try to keep the default name here. And also the placeholder, instead of text I just wanted to say name, so our clients can understand it's the name field, so they can put their name within the field. Now right after the name field I want to insert a phone field. So from here I'm just searching for telephone. Let's drag it under name here, and also I don't want to show the label, and within the placeholder I just want it to say phone. Next I wanna insert an email address field. So from here, actually email is at the top, so here I'm just dragging this email right underneath here, and also I'm disabling the label, and within the placeholder I'm just writing here email address. Now right after that here I wanna use another text field, so let's drag it here and let's disable the label, and this time I just want it to say email subject, or we can just write subject. Now here is one important thing. You may remember we also have taken another text field here at the top. So whenever you will take the same field, each time you should have an unique name here. So if I go to the first one with the name field, you see here the input field's name is mf-text. So with the subject we need to change this name to any other thing, because we shouldn't have the same name within the same form. So here instead of mf-text, here I just want it to say mf-subject. And then right after subject here I can just insert the text area. So here I'm searching for text area, this one, so people can describe more about the project here. I'm just dragging this text area underneath subject here. Actually I'm not sure it's not going under subject. Okay, so for now I'm just placing it here in this place, and later we can just drag this subject at the top of the text area in this place like this. And now let's just select this text area. Also I'm disabling the label from here, and instead of text area I just want it to say, for example, how can we help you, then feel free to get in touch, something like this. Then right after it, of course, we should use a submit button. So from here I'm searching for, actually it's at the top, so here just drag this submit button at the bottom. I'm not sure, sometime it works like that, so I'm just placing it anywhere of the area. Then we can just right click here, open the navigator, and from the navigator I'm just dragging the submit button underneath the text area in this place Alright, so it now looks perfect. Let's now close it, and here instead of submit button, I just want it to say send message. So here I'm writing send message. Also, let's make the button alignment to left aligned. Alright, let's now do some styling with these input fields. First, I'm starting with the name, and we can then just paste this style with other elements. So let's start with name. Now first go under style tab. Here I want to add some padding. So first of all, I'm giving it 20 pixel of padding. Now unlink it, because at the left and right we can add 30 pixel of padding. By the way, whatever you can see, this is the placeholder whenever we will start writing anything. For example, here I'm writing Jim Fahad. So if you want, you can do some styling with it as well, but I think it's looking good, so I don't wanna do any style change from here. Instead, I just wanna add some border radius, so I'm adding border radius to 16 pixel. Also, let's add a little bit of border. So border type, let's set it to solid. Here is 1 pixel width, and the border color would be hash E3 E3 E3. And then we can change the placeholder color. So from here, open the placeholder, and its color we can set it as our default text color, this one. Actually we cannot see it, but if I now if I just remove the Jim Fahad text from here, we can see it's getting the default body text color. Also from here, it's looking kind of bold, so from the typography we can make its size to 15 pixel, and font weight, let's make it to 500. So right now it's looking decent. Now we can just right click here, copy it, and we can paste the style. So let's paste style with all of these input fields. Just right click here and paste the style. Also with this one, right click and paste style. So we can see how easily it's doable. Also, let's do the styling with the button. Let's select the button widget. Now go under its style tab, and I just wanna use the global padding, so it's 28. Now unlink it, because at the right and left I wanna use 55. Also from here, let's add border radius value to 20. So here with this button, okay, I'm just opening this button. So here on the normal state, I'm setting the background color as our default orange color, and on hover I'm setting the background color as our default blue color. So it's now looking like it. And like I said, with this main container, let's select it. I have given this 50% only to make you understand everything properly, because if we set it 100% initially, we couldn't see the borders properly. So now we can remove this 50%, so it will get the default 100% width. We're done with the form creation, form designing. Let's now click on this update and close button from the right top corner. And yep, within this right field, we can see our beautiful contact form. So we have done with the design of this contact form. Now I just want to show you how it actually works. Okay, so from here, I'm just saving it by clicking on this green update button. And here I want to clarify one other thing. If you just fill up this form within the Elementor page builder, it won't work. So we need to preview it from real browser. And to see our website from real browser, from this place, if you just click on this eyeball icon, so I'm clicking here, it's now opened from the real browser. And let's now fill up this form from this place. So for example, I'm the client and I want to reach out to you from this place. Okay, so my name is here John Smith, and my phone number is this. Of course, it's a fake phone number. Then here I'm providing my email address, that's elementor@jimfahaddigital.com. Also here I'm writing a subject like I need a logo, and here I'm writing the description. Hi there, I need a logo. Then here, can we arrange a Zoom meeting, like this. So now your client will click here on send message. So let's click here, and it says thank you, form submitted successfully. Alright, so whenever any client fill up this form and click on this send message, you will get that stored within your WordPress dashboard. So if I now just go to our WordPress dashboard, so here let's go inside dashboard. Now from your WordPress dashboard, if you just go to the left side and hover over on mid form, then if you go inside entries, you can see all the informations that your client has provided by using this contact form. And I know each time you won't be logging into your WordPress dashboard and check the entries from here, from inside mid form, then entries. So we should use another convenient way, right? So to do it, let's now go inside Elementor page builder. So here I wanna create it in a way so when anyone fill up this form, you will also get that as a notification on your email. So to set up that, first of all, let's select this form. Now from left, click on edit form, and this time we have created the form. So from here I have selected my form. Now let's click on edit form. So here we have created the design of the form. Now we need to set up some settings. So from top here we can see the form settings. Let's click there, and from this place, this time let's go inside notification, and first of all I'm turning it on. Okay, so here you can write any email subject. It doesn't matter because only you can see the subject. So whenever you will receive any email, you will understand this email is coming from your website, I mean from your contact form. So let's say my business name is JF Digital. So here I'm just writing email from JF Digital. Then within this field it says email to. Here you need to put your own email address where you wanna receive these emails. So whenever anyone fill up the form, you will get all the information with this email address. So here you need to put your own email or your admin's email address here. So here I'm writing mine. And then within this email from and email reply to field, you need to put your client's email address, so you can easily understand who sent this email. So here I'm showing you how to put this field name. So first of all, whatever we have done, these two fields, let's just save it from here. So save changes. And now to get the email address of the client, because whenever anyone fill up this form, they will provide their email address within this field. So let's select this field, and here we need to collect this name. So it's mf-email. So I'm just selecting this I'm just copying this name from here. Let's now again go inside form settings. Now from under notification, here in this place within this email from, here first of all I'm just typing a third bracket and ending the third bracket, and within this bracket I'm pasting the name, which is mf-email. So I'm just copying this whole thing from here. Also we need to paste it here within the email reply to field. So whenever you will receive this notification on your email, you can understand this email is coming from the contact form, and you will receive that email on this email address. You of course will write your email address here, and here within this email from and email reply to field, you will be writing your client's email address, so you can reply them directly from inside of your email box. Alright, and here admin note, if you have another person to deal all these emails, you can just write some notes for them, but it's optional, so I'm just skipping it. And let's now click on save changes, and we're done with all the settings. So finally click here on the update and close button. So we're done with our contact us page as well. We just need to check how it's looking on mobile and tablet device. So first of all, let's go to the responsive mode. I'm going to the tablet device. So here on tablet device, everything is looking great. Let's scroll down. Yep, I think we just need to make its width to 100%. So select the parent container. From here on the tablet, I'm just making its width to, first of all I'm setting it as %, and here I'm making it to 100%. So right now it's looking great. So on the tablet it's looking perfect. Let's now move to the mobile device. So here in the mobile device, this banner is looking great. Here we can see the title, and then we can see the contact form. So there is no problem, but I think this time we need to push it down. So first of all, I'm just right clicking here. Let's just right click here and open the navigator. So basically here this one is our third container. This time I just wanna make this margin to 0, or maybe we can add some positive margin at the top. So first of all, I'm unlinking it, and at the top I'm adding 30 pixel of padding, and let's just select the map from the navigator. Let's now go under its advanced tab, and here instead this custom, we can keep the custom and we can just make its width to, first of all I'm setting it in percent and I'm making it 100%. So right now have a look here. Also with this container, let's select it. Here from under advanced tab, I'm giving their padding to 20 pixel. Also let's unlink the margin. Here at the top I'm giving 20 pixel of margin. So first of all, this area is now looking great. This contact form area is looking great on mobile device. Also this map is looking great, but I think we can reduce the map size or map height. So go under its content tab. Here instead of 700 we can just make it to 400 now, and then let's scroll down. All these are looking great, and here if you scroll down, yep, right now everything is looking great on mobile device as well. So we can now close the responsive bar from top, and don't forget to click on this green update button to save your work. Also I'm closing the navigator from here. Alright, so we are done with all of the major pages. Now I just want to show you how you can write a blog post, how to create your blog page, and how to customize all of them. So first of all, let's now go back to our WordPress dashboard. First of all, I want to show you how to create a blog post. Okay, so from here, let's now hover over on posts. From there, go to all posts. And here we can see just this one. Okay, first of all I'm just closing this notification. Okay, here we can see this hello world blog post. Actually it's a dummy blog post, came with default WordPress installation, so I don't want it now. I'm just clicking on trash to delete it, and now I just wanna create a new blog post. So from here, from the top, I'm clicking on add new. Now here you can write any blog title. For example, if you write blog post about freelancing, so you can write anything here. So freelancing tips for 2023. I mean anything. You will be writing some attractive and search friendly title here. So here I'm writing a real blog title. So how to choose website color schemes. And then okay, so this is the title of your blog post, and within this field you will be writing the real blog post. Okay, so here you can write anything. For example, here I'm just writing color scheme is very important for a website, and then I'm writing here you can just go to Canva to learn more, something like this, and you can write the whole bunch of text here. Also if you want, you can add images. I'm showing you that very shortly. So here I just wanna show you something. For example, if you wanna make this color scheme bold, so you just need to select this color scheme, and from top you just can click on this bold icon. So you see it's instantly become bolder. Also this important for a website, hold this text, I'm just selecting it. If you want to make it italic from top, just make it italic. Also here, for example, it says go to Canva, so I just want to link this Canva with Canva website. So I'm just selecting this Canva word. Now from top I'm just selecting this link icon, and here within I'm just typing Canva website link, which is canva.com. Now hit enter. So now when anyone clicks on this Canva, that will take them to the Canvas website. So similar like that, you can add anything. If you want to add any image within your blog post, you just okay, so for example you have written this paragraph, then right after that hit enter, and always on the right side you can see this plus icon. So this area we're using, or the software we're using, is called Gutenberg. So this is the default writing tool or the designing tool for WordPress right now. So for our pages, to create our beautiful pages, we have used Elementor page builder, but for writing our blog post, now we are using Gutenberg builder. Okay, so here we just need to do the simple things, like you can write the paragraphs like we already have written, and also if you want to add any image from here, if you just put your cursor here on the right side, you can see the plus icon. Just click on this plus and you can select any of the Gutenberg widget from this place. Okay, so I just want to use an image, so I'm selecting over this image, and now you can upload this image. You can upload this image from your computer. Also you can upload that from your media library. So I'm selecting media library. Let's select, for example, this image. Now click on select. So instantly your image has been inserted here. Also, if you want, you can make the image smaller or bigger. Just click over this image, and from here by dragging it you can make the image smaller like this. And then if you want, you can adjust the alignment. For example, I just want to make it centered, so here I'm clicking on align centered. You see, it's instantly getting centered. So in this way you can write anything within this Gutenberg builder. So here I'm removing this. Also I'm removing this text, and I'm just pasting some real content here. So here it's looking like it. So you see, you can add any images within the blog post. Then also I want to show you some other example. So let's say if you wanna add any list item, so right after this paragraph I'm hitting enter, and here let's say you wanna add some list item. So from this, click on this plus icon, and here you will find the list. So here I'm selecting list. So similar, actually it's similar like Google Docs. So here is your point 1, then you can write point 2, just hit enter, and here you can write the next points. So it's super easy, super simple. Alright, so I'm just removing all these bullet points. Okay, so you understand how to write the blog title, how to write the blog description, how to add images within your blog. Now I want to show you some other thing. Like here, if you have a look on the right side, we were under blog tab. Now I'm going under this post tab. So here, let's scroll down. Now I'm opening this category field, and initially you can only see this default uncategorized category. So I wanna add our own category. So I'm just clicking on add new category, and this post I wanna take it under business category. So here I'm writing business and click on add new category. So you see the business category has been created and it's now checked. Also you can add multiple categories for a blog post. So here I wanna also mention here WordPress, as it's a WordPress related blog post. So click on add new category. You see it's instantly added, so you can just check or uncheck it anytime. Now let's scroll down, and from this page, from the featured image, you can add the featured image for your blog post. So let's open it, and here I'm setting the image. So go to upload files, click on select files, and for our all blog posts I will be using these images. So I'm selecting all of them together. Now click on open. Now for the first blog post I'm selecting this image. Let's now insert it. So here we can see the featured image. Alright, so now we can publish this blog post. So from top here we can see publish. Just click there and publish one more time. So our first blog post has been published. Now if you want to see the blog post, from here you can just click on view post. So I'm just opening it from a new tab. And here we can see our single blog post page. At the top we can see the featured image, and here at the top we can see business and WordPress. These are basically our blog post categories. Here we can see the blog title. Also here we can see the author name, which is my name. Here we can see the publishing date. By the way, I will show you very shortly if you want to customize any of them. For example, if you don't want to show the author name, or if you want to hide the publishing date, you can do that as well. So I will show you everything very shortly. For now, just have a look. So here we can see the blog details, the images. Also, let's scroll down. At the bottom, we can see the comment area. So people can make comments on your blog post. Actually, you can see a lot more options, like you can go to the previous blog post. Also, you can go to the next blog post. Also, you can see the similar blog post at the bottom here. But to do it, we need to add more blog posts, because right now, if we go to our WordPress dashboard, and this time if we go to all posts, you see we only have now one blog post that we have just posted. Now, in the same way, I just want to create some more blog posts, and I don't want to make you bored. So I'm creating other blog posts really quickly, and I'm coming back to you. Alright, so I have just created 4 other blog posts in the same way. Now if I want to preview the blog post, then if you just hover over on any blog post, and if I click on view, we can see the blog post on real browser. So I'm just opening it from a new tab. Now here we can see the single blog post. Here we can see the title, and like before, here we can see the category. Here's the blog title, here's some metadata, and here's the blog description. And here, as we have written some other blog post, so if we now scroll down, you see we can here go to the previous blog post, we can go to the next blog post. Also here underneath, here we can see some other blog post. Actually these are coming from the same category. Okay, and underneath here people can make comment on our blog post. Now, like I said, I wanted to show you how you can customize your single blog post page. To do it, we will be going to our theme customizer, and to go to theme customizer, from this top bar you can just click here on this customize. Also there is another option, so if you go to your WordPress admin panel, from here just hover over on appearance, so you can go to customizer from this area as well. So I'm just going to the front end of our website, and from this top black bar I'm just clicking on customize. Okay, so here we are now inside the theme customizer. On the right side we can see the single blog post, and if we now want to customize anything, actually personally I like it very much, but let's say if you want to customize it, then from the left side to edit this single blog post page, from left side go inside post or pages layout, and then from within this place let's just go inside single post layout. Now here have a look. So here we can see the blog post title. If you don't want to display this title, you can turn it off from this place. So I'm just turning it off. Now we can no longer see the blog title, but of course we want to see that. So here I'm enabling it again. And there are a lot more other options, like if I scroll down from left side, so here you can enable or disable any of these elements. For example, if you don't want to appear these categories here at the top, you can just click on this eyeball icon. So here I'm just clicking on these categories. You see here at the top we can no longer see the categories. So in this way you can enable or disable any of this data. And there are more customization options. So by default you see we can only see at the middle, we can see the blog post. But let's say if you wanna use a sidebar on the right side of the blog post and you want this main blog post area at the left side, you can then select this layout. But personally I like this one, so I'm not changing anything from this place. And other than that, here are more other options like content style. If you want, you can just play or mess with other options. But like I said, personally I like the default settings. Also from here, like at the top we can see the featured image. If you don't want to display the featured image here on the single blog post page, you can just disable it from this place. And now I want to show you another thing. So from top, if I just go to our blog page, so I'm clicking blog from top. Now here in this blog page we can see all the blog posts are coming here within these cards. So if you also want to customize these settings or layout, you can do that as well. So to do it, from this left side, let's just go back by clicking on this left arrow. And then instead of this single post layout, this time we will be going inside of this archive layout. So here at the top of this page we can see the title, it says blog, but personally I don't want it. If you want, you can keep it, but if you don't want it, you can disable it from here. So I'm just turning off this show archive title, so I'm disabling it. Now at the top we can no longer see the title. Also with each of these blog posts, if you wanna customize them, you can do that. So from left I'm just scrolling down. So here you see there are post items, there are post elements. So with each of these blog posts we can see here category, here is the title, here is the author name, publishing date. Also here we can see some excerpt of the main blog post. Also here we can see read more button. If you want to enable or disable this from the blog page, you can do that from here. So for example, let's say if you don't want to show this excerpt here, you can just disable it. So this is the excerpt, so I'm just turning it off. So now we cannot see the excerpt, we can only see the title, some metadata and read more button. So if anyone clicks on this read more button, that will take them to the single blog post page. But actually I want to enable the excerpt. But you see, personally I don't like this kind of big chunk of text. So from here I'm just clicking on this down chevron icon. So you can control the word count. So 55 word is huge. So here instead of 55 I'm just writing 25 words. So now the excerpts are sweet and short. Alright, so we are also done with our blog page settings. So from top, now I'm just going back to our home page. Okay, so we are done with all the pages. Now I just wanna show you how to work with this header. Also, if you scroll down, how to work with this footer. Okay, so let's now start with this header first. So first of all, I just wanna show you how you can create a navigation menu like this, because you see I haven't created this navigation bar. It's actually created by itself from theme. So now I wanna create a custom menu. So to do it, actually we can do it from the customizer as well. So from top, let's now go back. I'm going back one more time. So from the main panel, to create a menu, from left side, let's now click on menu. And here to create a new menu, I'm just clicking on create new menu, and you can give it any name. I'm just naming it main menu. And then this one is very important. So here is the menu location. So here I just wanna select it for primary and mobile devices. Primary means if you select it for primary, it will always be shown on the header right side here in this place. So I'm selecting the primary. Also, I wanna display this same navigation on the mobile. So here I'm also selecting mobile. Let's now click on next. And here we will be adding our menu items. So from here, click on add items. And you see, we can see all of our pages here. So I just wanna use these pages as our menu link. So first of all, of course, I wanna use our home page. So I'm including home. Click on this plus icon, and right after home, I wanna use about, and then I'm adding service. Right after that, I'm adding the single service, which is web design, and then blog, and right after that, I'm adding contact page. And here I wanna show you another thing. Okay, before that, here I just wanna clarify you. Like here we have just added our own pages, but let's say if you wanna link anything, I mean if you wanna link any external websites link on the main menu, you can do that as well. So to do it, you just need to open the custom option. Here at the top it says custom link, so I'm opening it this time. So URL, for example, here I'm just writing my website, so it's jimfahaddigital.com, and I'm naming it hire me. Okay, and if I now click on add to menu, you see it's also added as a link. Now if anyone clicks on this hire me button, that will take them to my other website. Okay, but I don't want that, so I'm deleting it from this place. I'm just clicking on this X, and now I want to show you another thing. Like here I want this web design as the submenu of the services. So to do it, I just need to drag this web design a bit right side here. So I'm just dragging it to a little bit right side in this place. Right now it becomes the submenu of this services item. So if you want to have a real view, I'm just clicking outside. So now have a look here. We have got home, about, then here we have got services, and web design is becoming the submenu of the services. Here we have got blog link, and here is the contact pages link. So we're done with this navigation menu, and now I wanna show you how you can work with more efficiently with the whole header. So first I'm going back and going back again. And from here, let's open the header. So now this is the header builder. At the bottom, we can see there are two columns. This is the left column and this is the right column. So on the right column, we have added primary navigation. Actually, it's coming from theme. I have done anything off screen. And here at the left side, we can see logo option. Okay, before we start working with this logo, I just wanna show you something with this navigation. Let's say if you wanna design something with this navigation item, how can you do that? So from left side, we can see the primary navigation option. Let's just go inside there. So here, let's say these items are looking much closer with each other. So here, I just wanna increase their spacing. So instead of 1.2 em, I'm just making the spacing to 2 em. So right now they are looking perfect. Also, if you want to do some other settings with these menu items, you can just go under design tab. From here you can change their normal color, you can change the hover color, also you can change the active color from this place. But right now I'm happy what it is right now, so we can just go back and go back one more time. Okay, we went outside of the header. Let's go inside header again. Let's now go under General tab. Now here in the left side, I want to insert my logo. So now I also want to show you how you can create your logo by using a free online tool. So to create our logo, we will be going to an online tool that is logomaker.com. It's actually logo maker without the E. So right after going inside logomaker.com, it says start my design. Okay, I'm clicking here. And now this is the main canvas. We can create our amazing logo here. And let's say if you want to use any icon, you can just search for that icon name from this place. But you know what, actually I just want to keep my logo really sweet and simple. So I will be using only the text. So first of all, I'm selecting the text by clicking on this T. And I want to create our logo name as JF Digital. So here I'm writing JF Digital. Then if you want, you can change its font family. So there are different type of font families and you can see the font categories from here. So there are designer picks, fancy and cursive, but I just wanna have a font which is simple and modern, so I'm selecting it. And then you can select the exact font family from this right drop down. So I'm just opening it. From here you can select anything. For example, you can select this one, but it's looking kind of cartoonish, so I don't want that. Actually, I personally like Montserrat, so here I'm searching for Montserrat. Here we go, just select it. And then if you wanna just make it bold, click on this styles icon. From here I'm enabling bold by clicking here, so it's now looking bolder. At the same time, I also want to make it italic, so I'm clicking on italic. Then if you want, you can play with the line height or spacing, but I'm happy with it. And here I just want to show you another thing. Let's say, okay, first of all, I'm just adjusting its width like this, and then you can just make its size bigger by dragging the corners like this. Also, you can make it centered align in this way. Okay, actually, first of all, I just want to make it more bigger like this, and we can make it centered aligned in this way. Okay, and then the next thing I want to do, I just want to duplicate this heading. Okay, so first right click here and then click on duplicate. Now I'm dragging the duplicated one underneath here below, and let's first start working with the first one. Here I just want to change its color with our default blue color, and the color code is, you can use this color wheel to pick the color. So here I'm writing the color code, which is 3482FF. And then the second one, let's select the second one. I just want to change its color to 321F0F. So it's kind of dark colored. Now here I want to do an interesting thing. So first of all, I'm selecting the first one. Here I just want to keep this JFD word. So double click here and I'm removing these next letters. And from the second one, I just want to keep this IGITAL word. I'm just removing these JFD letters from here. Okay, let's now select the first one and I'm adjusting its width, something like this. Also, let's adjust its width. So here I'm just making it something like this. Now here I'm just moving it more left side, and okay, I'm just moving it a bit more, and right after that here I'm putting it in this place. Now you can select both of them together just by hovering over, just drag over them together, and then you can make them smaller together or you can make them bigger together. So I just wanna make them bigger like this. It went under this color palette, but no worries, because it will be saved the way we are seeing it right now. And now I just wanna save it. So from the top right corner, click on this save logo. And then it says, if you want a very high resolution image, if you want a very high resolution logo, then you need to pay them, but it's completely optional because on web, we don't need that much high resolution image. So here I'm just clicking on download low resolution PNG file. Let's click there. And from top, I'm just clicking on I accept, then click on download free low resolution file. So here it's downloaded. Let's now go back inside our theme customizer. So now here I just want to insert our logo. So from left side, let's now go inside of this logo, Actually, we can upload our logo from this place, but I want to show you the best way to upload your logo. So for that, we will of course come back within this header, but let's just come back. Let's just go back. Okay, go back one more time. And here, let's now go inside the site identity. And here we will be uploading our logo. Okay, so click here on site title and logo control. Then from here, click on select logo. Go to upload files, click on select files. So here is the logo we have just created. Just select it, click on open, then click on select, and here I don't want to crop it, so I'm clicking on skip cropping, and here we go. By the way, we can see the logo and the site title at the same time, but I don't want this site title, so from here logo layout, I'm just selecting the logo. And then this logo is looking kind of big, so you can control the logos width from here, so I just wanna keep it to 140 pixel. Also from this place, I wanna show you another thing, how to add your fav icon, because here at the top we can see an WordPress icon, so it's not looking much professional. So here, if you wanna add that tiny icon on your browser top, so let's just scroll down from here, open on site icon, and from here click on select site icon. And make sure this icon should be square shape, so it could be 80 pixel by 80 pixel or 100 pixel by 100 pixel, like that. So you can create your fav icon also by using the logo maker tool, but I already have created one, so I'm just going to upload files, click on select files, and here this one jf-favicon.png, this one is my fav icon, so I'm selecting it, click on open, then click on select, and I also don't wanna crop it. So here I'm just clicking on skip cropping, and here we go. At the top of the browser we can see the little tiny icon. Not only this page, this fav icon would be shown on all other pages. So it's really great for your branding. Alright, now to save this work, just click on this publish button. Now let's go back, and now we can again go inside the header. So we were basically building our header from here. Now I wanna show you some other thing. Let's say if you want a transparent header, you can enable that as well. So to do it from here, you can just go inside enable header, and you can enable the transparent header from this place, but I don't want that, so I'm going back. And from here you can also enable the sticky header. Okay, so here I'm just going inside sticky header, and I want to use the sticky header. So from here enable sticky header, I'm just making it yes, whole header, this option. Now have a look. If I now scroll down, the header is becoming sticky at the top, so it's a great experience for your user. But here I wanna do a little tweak, like I don't want this header all the time sticky at the top. I just want it to be sticky while we are trying to going to the top, like this. Okay, so to enable that option, I'm turning on this one. It says enable reveal sticky on scroll up. So while we are scrolling down, we cannot see that, but while we will try to scroll up like this, the header will appear that time. So to turn it on, I'm just turning on the first option, this one. By the way, I don't want it to enable on mobile devices, so by default it's off on mobile device, so I'm keeping it off. Alright, now have a look. If I try to scroll down, we cannot see the header at the top in this place, but let's say if I try to scroll up like this, here we can see the header is appearing here. It's really cool. And now if you wanna do some styling with it, you can do that as well. So for example, I'm just going under this design. So here, let's say you wanna add a different background color for the sticky header, you can do that as well. So from here it says sticky header background. Okay, so let's just select it, and let's say you just wanna make its color to red, something like this. Now have a look. If I scroll down, we cannot see the header, but if I scroll up, we can see the red header. And if I go to the top, the red color is gone because it's now not the sticky header, it's the general header. But you know what, I don't want that red color. I'm just showing you what's possible. So to redo it, to undo it, just click here on this undo icon. So it's resetting. But here I just wanna do one thing, because if I scroll up, you see we cannot understand what is the divider in between this header and this content. So I just wanna add a tiny border while it scrolls. So from here we can enable the sticky bottom border. So just click on this X, because by default it's off. So I'm adding just this solid color border. I'm selecting this one, and here its pixel would be only 1 pixel, and let's set its color. I just want it to make an off-white color, something like this. Or if you want, you can just make it 2 pixel so it's easily visible. And also here we can make it more light, something like this. So now have a look. Initially we cannot see any border. Also if you scroll down, we cannot see the header, but when we try to scroll up, we can see the header. Also we can see this border, so it's not conflicted with the below content. We can easily understand this is our header. How cool is that? Alright, let's now go back from left side, and here I wanna show you the mobile responsiveness of this header. So you can just click here on tablet and mobile. So here you see it's already looking great. If I now click on this hamburger icon, we can see the menu will appear like this on tablet. Also if we click on mobile from here in this place, you see on the mobile this menu pop-up will look like this, and it looks really cool. So let's just click on this X. But let's say if you wanna change this hamburger icon, then from left side you can just go inside this trigger. Now from here you see the default hamburger icon is very sharp, so I want to use a bold icon, so I'm selecting this one. Also if you want, you can use these vertical 3 dots, but personally I like this one. So if I now click over it, we can see the menu items here on the mobile device. Also same for the tablet device, and on the desktop we can see the regular menu. So we are done with our header. Let's now go back one more time. Now I want to show you how to work with our footer. So this is our footer by default. Now I want to customize it. So first of all, let's go inside footer, and here we can see only the copyright text, but I want it in 2 columns. So in the left we want this copyright text, and on the right side we want the social media icons. So to do that, first of all, I'm just removing this copyright text from this below row, so I'm just deleting it. Now here I wanna use this one. So to make it 2 columns, first of all we can just select this row or this row. Okay, I'm just selecting this row, so I'm clicking on this gear icon, and from here I wanna make it 2 columns instead of 3, so I'm selecting 2. So here is the left column and here is the right column. So now within the left column, click on this plus icon. Here I wanna use the copyright widget, so I'm selecting copyright. And within the right column, click on this plus icon. Here I wanna use the social widget, so I'm selecting social. So if we scroll down, here we can see at the left this is the copyright text, and on the right we can see social items. Okay, now if you wanna edit this copyright text, you can just click here on this copyright gear icon. So from here, this copyright within this curly bracket means copyright icon, this one, and year, so it says 2023, but it's dynamic here. So if you keep it like this in 2024, it will be automatically changed by itself. And here I don't want this WordPress theme by Cadence WP, so I'm just removing it, and instead here I'm just writing. Actually I also wanna remove this site title from here. So I just wanna write here, for example, all rights reserved by Jim Fahad, something like this. Then also if you want, you can control the alignment. For example, if you wanna make it right aligned, you can do that, but I just wanna make it left aligned, and vertical aligned, I'm just keeping it middle aligned like this. Then let's go inside this right column. So here I'm just clicking on this gear icon of this social. So here by default we can see the Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, but if you want to add more, you can just click here on add social, and for example if you want to add your LinkedIn, just select LinkedIn. You see the LinkedIn icon has been added instantly. And then let's scroll down. I want to align them from right, so I'm selecting right. Also the content vertical alignment, I'm setting it to centered. And if you wanna, and of course you want to add the social links of the social icons, so to do it you just need to click here on set social links. Just click there, and we have added Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn. So you just need to put link within the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube field, so they will get the link automatically. Alright, so let's now go back one more time. So we're also done with our footer. So we have made our complete website. We can now minimize the customizer from left side, but don't forget to click on this publish button to save all these settings. Okay, let's now minimize the bar from left side by clicking here on hide controls and have a final preview of all of the pages. So here, this is our beautiful home page. We can see the beautiful banner. Everything is looking great. Here is the services area. Here is the about us area. Here is our beautiful tabs. So we can go under web design, branding like this. And here is the testimonial area. Here is our global footer. Everything is looking great. Let's now go to our about page. So here is everything is looking great on about us page as well. So we can see the navigations, I mean we can see the animated icons here. Here we have got some fun facts about ourselves, and then here is the team members with their social links. Also we have reused the testimonial here from home page. Let's now go to our services page. Here our services page is also looking great, and also we have created this beautiful pricing table. Altogether it's looking really great. Let's now go to the single services page. So here I'm going to web design page. So here is our web design page, and following the same manner you can create other single services page. So here everything is looking great, all the features, and here we can see this hover effects. Altogether it's looking really great. So let's now go to the blog page. Here we have created this blog page by using the theme customizer, and everything is looking great. Also if we go inside of any single blog post, in the single blog post everything is looking great, super clean and easy to read for visitors. Also from underneath we can go to previous and next post. We can see the similar blog post from here. Also people can make comments here on our blog post. Let's now go to our contact page. We have also created this beautiful contact us page from scratch, so people can now communicate with us instantly by using this contact form. And also we have made everything responsive for all devices. So we have successfully made the whole website from scratch. Now you can create any kind of design by leveraging this skill. Feel free to let me know your opinion about this tutorial in the comment section. Please give this video a big thumbs up and feel free to share this video on social media. Once again, thank you so much for watching this full tutorial. I will see you in the next video. For now, bye bye.